Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix or even remove mobile display black spot that pixel display line. So this is the solution. So the quick solution, if you have enough funds money, you can replace your LCD right now. This is how you can remove completely. Try to brand new LCD from a service center, and this is how you can fix it. But there is a way, like a fix, a little bit a small fix that you can try to remove or hide a black spot that pixel from your Android phone. Just go to the Play Store right now and try to search the that pixel test and fix. This one, you can install this app, check that pixel, fix that pixel, and so on. So this method uses the filling display by different colors for visual detection. So this software, this application is filling the display of your phone. So they are testing you first, then they try to fix it. This is like very helpful tool, a powerful tool that can detect and repair that pixels or defective stuck pixel on your phone. And you can try to another tools. Just try to search a LCD screen that pixel fix and so on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.